Hello students, I am Rohini Sonavale. Today we are going to discussing about the transformers. Firstly, we see the principle of operation of transformer. When the two coils are placed close to each other, hence there is a mutual inductance between these coils. The flux produced in one coil get linked with the another coil, which is shown in the figure. Here in the figure there are two inductors. It is the first inductor and here it is the second inductor. These two inductors, when placed on the core material which are exactly opposite to each other, it forms the transformer. It consists of two windings. First one is the primary winding and second is the secondary winding. These two windings, when are in proportion, which forms the ideal transformer. The primary winding and the secondary winding having the ratio, that is N1 as to N2, this ratio represents the number of turns of primary winding is equal to the number of turns of secondary winding. That means when these two windings which are equal in proportion, then the voltage which is applied across the primary winding and the voltage which is obtained across the secondary winding is equal in proportion, and which represents the ratio, that is Np divided by Ns, that is equal to Vp divided by Vs. That means the number of turns of primary winding to the number of turns of secondary winding is equal to the voltage across the primary winding to the voltage across the secondary winding, or the ratio of number of turns of primary winding, that is N1, to the number of turns of secondary winding, that is N2, is equal to voltage across the primary winding V1 divided by voltage across the secondary winding, that is V2. Next we see the types of the transformer. There are two types of the transformer. First is the step up transformer and second one is the step down transformer. Firstly, we see the step up transformer. Here it is the structure of the step up transformer. It consists of two windings. First one is the primary winding and second one is the secondary winding. But in case of the step up transformer, the number of turns of the primary winding is less than the number of turns of the secondary winding, is called as the step up transformer. That means if we are represent the ratio between the number of turns of primary winding and the number of turns of secondary winding, that is Np is less than Ns, where Np represents the number of turns of primary winding and Ns represents the number of turns of secondary winding. Next we see the another type of the step transformer, that is the step down transformer. Here it is the structure of the step down transformer. In this structure, it represents there are two windings. First one is the primary winding and second one is the secondary winding. In case of the step down transformer, it can be defined as the number of turns of primary winding is greater than the number of turns of secondary winding, and it represents the ratio between the primary and the secondary winding is Np is greater than Ns, where Np means the number of turns of primary winding and Ns means the number of turns of secondary winding.